If you have been trying to add someone as an admin on your Facebook page, it has been confusing. They are changing everything with Meta, and there's a couple of different ways to do it. It depends on whether or not your page has been updated to the new experience. So I'm going to go through and show you a quick tutorial on how to ask someone or invite someone to be an admin on your Facebook page. First thing that we have to do, you have to be on your profile. I am on my profile here, and you see this little circle. This is the account that I'm on. If I click that, I have 50 other profiles that I can be on. See, this is a page right here. If I click on that, it's going to switch me to that page. I want to make sure that I'm on my profile. And once I'm on my profile, I can click on this little 9-dot menu and create a page. If I already have one, we're going to cover that on the second half. But if you don't have a page, if you're creating one new, click on pages. And then if you have pages already, it will show them here. If you don't, there might not be anything here. If it's the first page that you've created, go here and click on the button that says create new page. Now, when you create this new page, you have to give it a title, and title this page here. And then whatever category it is, I'm going to put marketing, and then there's some choices here. I'll put marketing agency. And then this is my description. Now, you can put anything here, just it can be changed anytime you want. And so let me move that up so you can see here. Create the page. Now, you can also add a photo if you want to. It's a little easier to identify when you get a lot of pages if you have something here. So now the page was created. Once your page is created, it's going to prompt you to connect to the WhatsApp. We don't need to do that right now, so we will just leave that. And now your page is created. We don't have any pictures or anything. There's a lot of stuff to set up here. So if you want to have somebody else manage your page for you, let's switch this over here. You can go over here and you have some options, okay? You can go in and edit your page information, or you can go to the settings, and over here you can click on page roles. And when you click on page roles, you can invite somebody to manage your page. So I'm going to invite my friend Sandy, and I want her to have admin access. So I'm going to switch that and then click add. Let's type your password in, and then what it will do is send an invitation to Sandy. Once she accepts that invitation, she becomes an admin of your page, and she can come in here and do all of this stuff for you. Now, let's say you already have a page created and you've done some things on there and you decided you don't want to do all that stuff. You want to invite someone to be an admin on a page that isn't in the new experience yet, an older page. What you're going to do is, again, you're going to go down to make sure whichever page you're talking about that you already have created. Okay. And I'm going to go to Kim's test page. Depending on when you created your page, you're going to see different things here on the left. And so you notice on this one, it's totally different than the other one, and it says Meta Business Suite. They want everybody to eventually work in Meta Business Suite for all your business pages. So on here, if I go to settings, like I did before, when I chose settings, I had page roles over here. I had a lot of stuff over here. You notice this is much simpler. If I click on the new pages experience, now I have access to add new people to my page. So when I click on add new, you can read through this saying the same thing, that you're giving people access. Again, you have to type in a name, and it has to be a person that already has a profile on Facebook. And then you have to click this button that says let them have full control. Now, once we're in here, it looks a little different. You remember before we had the drop down with admin, editor, ads manager. You could choose one specific thing. In this one, you either have to have all of these and give access, or full control and give access. I'll do full control. Again, you have to type in your password. And confirm it. And then an invitation will be sent to that person again. And you notice it's a little bit different look here as well. And that expires in 31 days. Once they accept that, it won't have invitation below it. It'll say she has access. And that's how you add someone to your Facebook page to give them access to do things on the page for you, like posting or running ads or anything like that. I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Have a great day.